Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm Aurora and we're here today just to have fun and be together. It's Thursday the 5th. I have some notification of things I don't care and I don't know why I still get notified for this. I'm actually on the laptop working because we need to finish some things. I think it would be nice to bring you with me today. Maybe it's gonna be long, maybe it's gonna be short video, we never know, right? As you can see, I woke up some hours ago. I just washed my face, did a little skincare, and that's it. I didn't even dress up, but we don't care, right? I have a new nice orchidea. I don't know what's the name in English, orchids. I don't know. And I have tulipans. I'm so happy. My friends sent it to me because of my birthday. That smells nice. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I have that. And they are supposed to long for a bit too, because I have like a nice powder that I can put in the water that came with them, and it's like food flour, so it's gonna let them last longer, and I'm so happy to see them every day. They're so beautiful. The flowers came into this beautiful box. I mean that. Can you see what I'm talking about? Like the colors, the font, the texture. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh man. I feel sorry to throw it away. Oh, it's so nice. I mean, it's bringing you happiness, you know? I don't know if you know this kind of thing, is to catch the hair of your pet, and it's amazing because it gives like a electrostatic. It gives electrostatic kind of feeling to the hair, so it's gonna catch the hair, and then you have it inside here, collected. Disgusting. Probably, but lifesaver, really a lot. And you're not gonna waste like plastic things. I'm really uncomfortable here. It's game changer. So if you wanna get it. If you have a pet, get it. It's been a long time since I wanted to tie this mess. So am I gonna do it now? Like this? What the fuck? So basically I just wanted to clean and tidy up just one cupboard from the kitchen, and I ended up of actually cleaning and tidy the whole kitchen. And now that I'm done, we wanted to make some taralli. They are really nice. And yeah, the only thing we need is 550 grams of flour, 200 grams of wine, white wine, 125 oil, and 12 grams of salt. And that's it. And I think I'm gonna film the process or some kind of step by step, and because they are really nice. So that's actually all that you need. So we have oil, wine, salt, and then the flour. And we're good. So first thing, you're gonna mix the salt and the flour. Until it's nice. So the dough is ready. We can now form the taralli shape taralli. And then we will boil them, and then we will put them in the oven. Meanwhile, we did some veggie and some veggie sticks to be in the oven too, so we don't waste energy since we already have it. Then I wanted to do also a cake, but yeah, I dropped the idea so fast. So let's do that. My eyes are so bad because of the onion. I am crying. I of course didn't film the whole process because my hands were dirty, and yeah, so they are good and they are in the oven right now. I don't know if you can see something. We boil them and then put them into the oven.
That's all that's left. One line. The last line.
Hi everybody. It's time to go to bed. I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, and then head in the bed. Yup. I've been so ugly the whole day, man. But yeah, I had to work and I cleaned the kitchen really good. And then I did some taralli that they were really nice. So now I'm tired. And tomorrow is gonna be a long day. And yeah, I think I'm not gonna jump up more like tomorrow. But if I do, yeah. If not, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.